Hi, hello, welcome to Summit for Max. In this video, we are going to see on the latest update of CBSE Class 12 board exams. After the Government of India on Tuesday cancelled CBSE Class 12 board exams, the Central Board of Secondary Education released a statement. As per the statement, the Class 12 assessment will be made as per well-defined objective criteria. During the key meeting of Prime Minister Modi ji with the union ministers and other officials, it was also decided that CBSE will take steps to compile the results of Class 12 students as per a well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. The Prime Minister said that the decision on Class 12 CBSE exam has been taken in the interest of students. He stated that the coronavirus has affected the academic calendar and the issue of board exam has been causing immense anxiety among students, parents and teachers, which must be put to an end. It has also been decided that if some students wish to appear for their Class 12 board exams, then such an option would be provided to them once the current situation becomes conducive. As per reports on the CBSE Class 12 exam format, an average of last 3 internals will be considered. And here is the press release of the cancellation by the Central Board of Secondary Education. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, who has been admitted in AIIMS Hospital due to post-COVID complications, also welcomed the decision and tweeted, "To ensure the safety and security of students, teachers and parents, and to put an end to the anxiety in the minds of Class 12 students, in a meeting chaired by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, it was decided to issue CBSE results based on the well-defined criteria." Since 12 marks are an important factor that affects students' careers, we expect CBSE to ensure students don't get affected with the methodology of awarding marks. The challenge now is for CBSE to arrive at an alternative criteria to determine grade 12 marks. Any delay or any confusion on the new grading criteria will lead to more confusions and stress among students. Clear direction should also be provided to the Indian universities to modify their admission criteria. And thank you, Advocate Mamta Sharma, for saving millions of lives of students. And God bless you, ma'am. The possibility to conduct exams via online mode is ruled out completely by the government, as infrastructural upgrades within short span of time is not possible. The only solution in the interest of students is to cancel exams by adopting some methodology being adopted for Class 10. She also said that on Thursday hearing, she will request the Honorable Apex Court to pass similar directions to all state boards. I am really happy that the never-ending Class 12 for 1.4 crore students of the country has finally come to an end. Wish you all a very good luck, my dear students.